everyone should know about this AI tool because this AI tool will resolve more than 1000 problems. So firstly, we'll have to come to this website, tinywow.com. So this is a free site, makes editing and converting any file easy. So there are so many options like PDF, image, writing, video, file. So one by one, we'll check out. So let me try image tool. See, there are so many kind of tools they have given. So I'll check out a few tools like image upscaler. So I'll try this tool. Click on that. Upload your image. This is my image, and here you have to select the quality 4 times or 2 times. So I'll select 4 times. Click upscale, and it's done. Just download it from here. Attention, please. Born into poverty but determined to change your destiny? Look into the lifetime free AI tool mentioned in the description below. And you can see the quality, guys. This is unbelievable AI tool, guys. And in the video tool, you can see there are so many options. So you can use it totally free of cost. This is unbelievable AI tool, guys. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe the channel. If you haven't subscribed, have a good day. All the best.